Hey fam, what's up? So, who am I making these videos for? I'm not making videos for others on this platform. Maybe I will. Eventually, I would have to. But not at the moment. At the moment, I'm only following an advice from a motivational speaker called Brian Tracy. In sales, he gives this advice that when you start your journey in sales, whether it be your first cold calls, don't start analyzing what's going wrong and what's not. Just make your first 100 cold calls, or your first 100 encounters with customers, or your first 100 customized emails to customers. Only then you will have enough content to analyze your mistakes and learn something and build upon your mistakes. And that's when you truly start learning. What this does is that it makes you develop this thick skin that whatever people are saying, you don't give a damn about them and you continue doing what you want to do. And only after you have made enough mistakes that you start learning about that trade, and then you have experiences which you can look at and improve over.